Welcome to Rizzi. Now we are starting the new chapter, that is a plane from the B here. So the chapter name is planes. So the weightage of planes chapter, that is when IP they will ask for 2 marks, that is a very short answer question, that is 2 marks question, and whereas for MSET there is a possibility to get 1 mark, that is 1 question, and in JEE means there is a possibility to get 1 mark, 1 question, that is belongs to 4 marks. This is a weightage of the chapter here. So when comes to planes chapter, when comes to planes introduction, so the equation of the plane, first of all we are going to discuss about the topic equation of the plane. Generally the general equation is nothing but general equation of a straight line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal 0. This is a general equation of a straight line. But here we are going to discuss the general equation of a plane here. First of all, what is plane? The plane, this is a plane here. So this is a plane. It is a 2-dimensional figure. This is plane here. So this is space. This space is nothing but plane here. It is having 2 dimension. And when comes to 3D coordinate system, this is a 3D coordinate system. This is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. This is origin 0, 0. And if you take a plane here, so I am taking a plane. This is one type of plane here. This is plane. This is intersecting the 2 axes x and y here. So if you take one more plane like this, if you take one more plane, so this is one plane on a 3D coordinate system. Now I am taking a plane, I am taking a point on this plane here, point on the 3 coordinate system. This is A and this is B and this is C. The joining of these 3 points, the joining of 3 points A, B, B, C, C, A, then it is at some distance on the plane. The plane is like this, the plane is like this. It is at some distance to the origin. So it is intersecting on the plane at some point. This is, the distance is nothing but d here, the distance is nothing but d here. So it is perpendicular to a plane is always, a plane is perpendicular to line at any point here. This is the perpendicular lines. So you can draw many perpendicular lines to a plane here. So this is the perpendicular line in the direction of origin here, in the direction of origin. This is nothing but plane here. This plane is having 3 points and it is at distance from origin to, and here one more type of plane is there. This is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. Now if you take a plane here, if you take a plane, this plane is passing through one point, that is P of x comma y comma z. This is one more type of plane, and this is second type, and if a plane is passing through three non-collinear points. This is A and this is B and this is C. This is A of x1 comma y1 comma z1 and this is B. This is x2 comma y2 comma z2 and this is C, x3 comma y3 comma z3. Here three non-collinear points. Non-collinear is nothing but they do not lie on same plane, same line, is nothing but non-collinear points. These non-collinear points are passing through a plane. These line points are passing through a plane. Then this is one more type. This is nothing but third type here. So we have the different types of planes here. So first one we have to discuss about what is the general form of plane. What is the general form of equation of a plane? Here we are going to discuss the first one. Now the general form of straight line is, that is ax plus by plus c. Already we know. In place of a, b, c, we can substitute any values. A comma b comma c values belongs to and here ax plus by plus c is equal 0. This is the straight line equation here. Now this is general form of straight line equation. Now I am taking the general form of it. General form of equation of straight line is nothing but, first of all, you can substitute any values. That is the general form of straight line. In that similarly, the general form of equation of plane is, general form of equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal 0. This is the most important equation of a plane. Most important equation of a plane. Ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal 0. Here a comma b comma c are coefficient of x comma y comma z respectively, and d is a distance from the point or origin or point. Here d is a distance from origin or point, and where x comma y comma z are coefficients of a comma b comma c are coefficients of x y z respectively. Here this is the general form of an equation. The proof for this one here we will discuss in IP classes. This is the just general form of plane. You have to remember this equation here. This is the general form of equation. Now the proof of this one we will discuss in IP classes. This is the most important equation of a plane. A1 ax plus by plus c is equal 0. This is the most important equation of plane here. And the next one here, where a comma b comma c, in general form of equation, the general form of equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal 0, where a comma b comma c are not all zeros, they are not equal to 0, and that is the condition we have. The sum of squares of coefficients of x square, x comma y comma z is not equal to 0 here. The sum of squares of coefficients of x, y, z is not equal to 0. That is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square is not equal to 0. This is the condition for the equation of a plane in a general form. Now equation of plane with different condition. Equation of plane with different condition. The equation of plane passing through the point x comma y comma z. The equation of plane passing through x comma y comma z and having drs of ABC is the drs of ABC. For example, this is 3D coordinate system x, y, z. Now here I am taking a plane. This is the plane here. So this plane is passing through one point, that is P of x comma y comma z. This plane is passing through one point, that is P of x comma y comma z, and having drs of normal. here this is the plane. For this plane I am taking a normal. Normal line is nothing but this is a line which is perpendicular to the plane, that is called normal. Normal is nothing but a line which is perpendicular to at a point P, at a point to the plane is nothing but this is normal. It is denoted by N here. Normal is nothing but the line which is perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to the plane is nothing but normal here. And for this normal, the direction ratios, what is mean by direction ratios? L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C, where A comma B comma C are DRs of normal, DRs of this line, where L is nothing but the angle made by cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. Here L, M, N values are cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, and A comma B comma C are direction ratios of a line. Direction ratios of a line, that is normal of a plane here. Normal of plane. What is normal? What is normal here? Normal is nothing but, so the line which is perpendicular to the given plane in a 3D coordinate system, that is normal. Normal is nothing but the line which is perpendicular to the plane, given plane, that is nothing but normal of a plane, that is a line here. For that line we have to draw the direction ratios. What are direction ratios? L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C is equal to, where A comma B comma C are direction ratios. L is nothing but cos alpha and M is nothing but cos beta, N is nothing but cos gamma. Cos alpha is nothing but the angle made by x-axis. The normal line is angle made by x-axis, the normal line angle made by y-axis, the angle made by z-axis is nothing but cos gamma here. So these are the values of L, M, N and A, B, C are the direction ratios, where cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are DCs of a normal. But here we don't want DCs here, but we are taking only direction ratios, DRs here. Now the equation of here, the point here I am taking P of x comma y comma z, and this point is passing through, a plane is passing through this point, this plane is passing through point P of x comma y comma z, and having DRs of normal, then the equation of plane is, equation of plane will become here. So A of x minus x1 plus B of y minus y1 plus C of z minus z1 is equal 0. Here this is the equation of plane. Passing through the point P of x comma y comma z, and the normal of a plane, the direction ratios of the normal of the plane is given. Then the equation of plane is A of x minus x1 plus B of y minus y1 plus C of z minus z1 is equal 0, where x1 y1 z1 are P of x1 comma y1 comma z1. This is the point of a plane passing. A plane is passing through the point, that is P of x1 comma y1 comma z1. For example, you can take 2, 3, 4. This is the point. You can substitute the values here, where A, B, C are direction ratios of a normal line, of a plane. This is all about the equation of a plane passing through the one point, and the direction ratios of a normal is given. Direction ratios of a normal of a plane is given here. And the next point is here, this is also the equation of a plane passing through the point and parallel to the plane, one more plane, that is here this is x, y and z. This is origin here. So I am taking a plane here. This is the plane. This plane is passing through a point P of x comma y comma x1 comma y1 comma z1, and it is parallel to one more plane. This plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal 0. This is the plane equation of this one, and this is 1 and this is 2 here. This plane is parallel to 1. 2 is parallel to 1. Then 2 is passing through point P of x1 comma y1 comma z1. Then the equation of plane will be same like the previous one, that is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are drs of normal of a plane. Now x1 y1 z1 are point on a plane here. This is all about the second point of a equation of a plane in different forms. We have two different forms. First one is if the direction ratios of a normal and the plane is given, and second one is if a point is passing to the plane and it is parallel to one more plane, that is ax plus by plus cz d1 here. D is equal to 0. This the equation of plane is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. This is the plane of required equation of a plane here. This is after substituting the values, we will get the equation in the format of this one. So this is all about the different format of a plane here. Now we are going to discuss some more concepts of a plane here. Now, equation of plane which is parallel to the line. Here the topic name is equation of a plane. Equation of a plane, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, which is parallel to a line, parallel to the line. So this is the topic name here. So in that one, first one, the equation of plane passing through a point, equation of plane passing through a point, that is x1 y1 z1, equation of a plane passing through a point, that is x1 y1 z1, x, this is y and this is z, this is origin here. I am taking a plane here. So this is passing through one point, that is a p of x1 comma y1 comma z1, and it is parallel to the whose direction ratios are a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. And if you take any two direction ratios, the drs of line, that is a1 comma b1 comma c1, and the drs of this line is a2 comma b2 comma c2. dr is nothing but l1 by a1, m1 by b1 and n1 by c1. And second one is L2 by A2, M2 by B2 and N2 by C2, where L1 is nothing but cos alpha 1, cos beta 1, cos gamma 1, and here L2 is nothing but cos alpha 2, cos beta 2, cos gamma 2. Here A1, B1, C1 are DRs, A1, B1, C1, and where A2, B2, C2 are DRs of second line. Here if a plane is passing through the point, that is P of x1 comma y1 g1, x1 comma y1 comma z1, and parallel to whose DRs? It is parallel to, this plane is parallel to DRs of A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. then the equation of a plane, will become x minus h, modulus values of determinant is equal to x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. The determinant is equal to 0. The determinant is equal to 0. If you substitute the values in this expression, we will get the equation of a plane here. So, for example, I am taking see here. I am taking a point on a plane that is x1 comma y1 comma z1, that is 2 comma 4 comma 6. This is the point. This is a point a plane is passing through x1 comma y1 comma z1, that is 2, 4, 6, and direction ratios will be 2, 3, 4. This is the DRs of one, a1, b1, c1, and dr2, that is 3, 4, 5, that is a2, b2, c2. Then the equation of plane. Therefore, then equation of plane is, let's substitute the values where x1, y1, z1 are the point here, and x, y, z is a variable here. a1, b1, c1 are direction ratios of a dr line here. a2, b2, c2 are direction ratios of one more line. These two lines are parallel to plane here. So then the equation will become x minus x1 is nothing but 2, y minus y1 is nothing but 4, z minus z1 is nothing but 6, a1, b1, c1 2, 3, 4, next a2, b2, c2 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Let's find the determinant is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 into 15 minus 16, 3 5 ja 4 4 ja 16. Next y minus of y minus 4 into, eliminate the row and column which is having y minus 4, 2 5 ja 10, 4 3 ja 12, 10 minus 12. Now in that way similarly this is z plus z minus 6 into 2 4 ja 8 minus 6, 8 minus 9 here. So this is the value, modulus value here. Now x minus 2 into 15 minus 1, that is minus 1, y minus 4 into 10 minus 12, that is minus 2, and z minus 6 into 8 minus 1 minus 1 here. So minus x plus 2 minus of y 2y minus 2y plus 8 plus minus z plus 6. Now multiply the minus here, minus x plus 2, minus into minus become plus 2y, minus 8 minus z plus 6 is equal to 0 here, equal to 0 in each case here. So let's simplify. Minus x plus 2y minus z, 2 plus 2 minus 6 here, 8 minus x plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 here. So this is a plane. Here d value will be 0, x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. If you multiply minus, this is the equation of a plane is passing through the point 2, 4, 6 and parallel to the DRs of a line, that is a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. This is all about the point equation of a plane finding way here. Now the second point is the equation of a plane. The equation of a plane passing through the point that is x1 comma y1 comma z1 and passing through one more point that is x2 comma y2 comma z2 and parallel to one dr of a line. Here this is the diagram here, x, this is y and this is z here, this is origin, this is the plane I am taking here. This plane is passing through 2 points, that is p of x1 comma y1 comma z1 and one more point that is q is x2 comma y2 comma z2. Here 2 points I am taking, these 2 points are passing through the plane, then parallel to one dr of a line, parallel to one dr of a line, this is the dr here I am taking, that is a b c here, this is dr, that is nothing but l by a plus is equal to m by b, and n by c, where a, b, c are drs and l, m, n are dc's and drs. Here this is all about the direction ratios and direction cosines here. Then the equation of a plane is, how can we find the equation of a plane? When 2 points are passing through the plane as well as parallel to 1 dr of a line here, then the equation will be x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a, b, c. The determinant of these values is equal to 0. Then we can find the equation of a plane passing through 2 points and parallel to 1 dr of a line here. So let us take 2 points. I am taking this point P is 1, 1, 2 and Q is 2, 3, 2, and I am taking 1 dr A1, B1, C1. ABC is equal to 3, 4, 5 I am taking here. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Let's substitute the values. This is x1, y1, z1 and this is x2, y2, z2. And here ABC, this is dr of a line parallel to the line here. X minus x1. X minus x1 is nothing but 1 here. Y minus y1. Y minus 1 again. Z minus z1, that is z minus 2. And x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1, that is 2. And z2 minus z1, 2 minus 2, that is 0 here. And ABC values, A 3, 4, 5. Let's substitute 3, 4, 5 and find the determinant for this one. X minus 1 into 2 5 is 10 minus 0, 10 minus 0. Next y minus 1 into 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0. Next plus z minus 2 into 4 minus 6, z minus 2 into 4 minus 6. X minus 1 into 10 minus of y minus 1 into 5 plus z minus 2 into minus 2, z minus 2 into minus 2. Let's simplify. 10x minus 10 minus 5y plus 5. I am multiplying 5 as well as multiplying minus here. So minus 2z plus 4. Let's write the terms here. 10x 5y, 10x plus 5y minus 2z and minus 10 plus 5, minus 10 plus 5, that will become minus 5 is equal to 0. Here this is the equation of a plane passing through 2 points and parallel to 1 dr of a line here. This is all about the second point, and the next one is now the equation of a plane, passing through 3 non-collinear points. For example, collinear is nothing but the lines which are lies on same line is nothing but collinear. Non-collinear is nothing but the points which are not lies on a single line is nothing but non-collinear. These are collinear A, B, C, collinear, but A, B, C non-collinear. A, B, C, they are different format. This is A, B, C I am taking. This is x1 comma y1 comma z1, and this is x2 comma y2 comma z2, and this is C x3 comma y3 comma z3. These 3 points, a plane is passing through 3 points, non-collinear points A, B, C. Then the equation of a plane, that is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. The determinant is equal to 0. Then the equation of plane we can find easily. Let us take 2, 3, 4 and 1, 3, 6 and 4, 2, 5. So these are the 3 points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. You can substitute the points in this formula you can find the equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points. Then this is the equation of plane here, and the final one is fourth point. And if x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3 and x3 x4 y4 z4 coplanar are coplanar is nothing but these 4 points are belongs to one plane, then the 4 points are nothing but coplanar here. If the four points are taken like this, A, B, C, D, you can take anywhere. So A, B, C, D, this is x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2 and this is x3, y3, z3 and this is x4, y4, z4 here. If we taken four coplanar points, then the equation of a plane, will be this is x, this is y and this is z here, this is origin. If you take 4 points, these 4 points are coplanar is nothing but the 4 points are belongs to the one single plane is nothing but coplanar. Then the equation of a plane is x minus x4 minus x1, y4 minus y1, z4 minus z1 and z3 x3 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1 and z3 minus z1. The determinant of this value is equal to 0. Here you have to remember the standard general form of equation of plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, and this is the equation of a plane, and this is about equation of plane passing through one point and dr perpendicular to normal here, and this is also passing through point and parallel to one more plane here. The equation of plane in different parallel to the points here. Here the equation of plane passing through one point and parallel to two drs of a line here, and the equation of plane passing through 2 points and parallel to one dr of a line. The equation of a line passing through non-collinear point, three non-collinear points, then the equation of a plane here. Then the equation of plane is passing through 4 points, that is coplanar, then the equation of a plane is here. This is all about this session here. In next session we will discuss some more concepts of a plane. Thank you.